Alright everybody, so I'm here at the pond, and I want to show you our little pet. There he is. Look. He's a froggy. See, he's right there. You can barely see him, but he's a froggy, of course. Right there. Hi, buddy. I need Alphys. Hi, froggy. Here, watch. Alright, give me a stick or another. Someone give me a stick. Here's a stick. Sticky stick. Well, that scared me. Okay, well, I'm gonna back away now. And that was Froggy. Bye, Froggy!